This tech tip is 3D models in 3D Story. First, we're going to go to the 3D Story library, and we can drag and drop in any model from that library into our 3D Story. We can control the settings in that model environment. For example, we can change the background as well as the visual properties of the part. There are 3 options for the view perspective of the scene. You can interact with your 3D content by zooming, panning right in the 3D Story while it's playing. There are even more options we can do. We can go through and even use 3D content we've uploaded in our CAD models. So here's a CAD model of a stand that I can go through and set a floor on, because once again, it's a stand that's standing on a floor. I can set that in the perspective and also add for it to actually rotate. So while it's previewing, it can do a rotation of that actual object. We have greater flexibility. We can even go through and split our scene and add an additional 3D part to it and even set its own properties. In this case, we're going to have it have a starting point in one position, and then we'll have it rotate to the bottom to have a end position. So now I run the preview, we both have the rotation on the right and the part rotating from start and end on the left to really better communicate our 3D content. Thank you for tuning into this tech tip.